Register special vacation. In this window, you will be able to create special vacation dates that relate to your country's laws, as well as the unique holidays that your company offers. You can add up to 30 special holiday dates by simply adding the name of the new vacation as well as an abbreviation. When you create a new holiday, you will be able to set this holiday up with the required information that will relate to the holiday. We will do this in the next step. Vacation type settings. Vacation type settings allows you to create specific and unique holidays and vacation days, while also specifying if the holiday will deduct from the holiday allowance like a paid vacation day. You will be able to assign these custom holidays to a specific office location or staff position. Once you have created a new holiday in the previous step, you will be able to select the length of time that your new holiday will last, such as a half-day holiday or a full-day holiday, from the unit drop-down menu. Once you have filled in your new holiday criteria, click Add at the bottom of the page and it will be added to your company's list of recognized holidays. An example of a custom holiday you can take would be maternity leave. You will be able to edit this information afterwards if you need to make any amendments, or you can delete it if it is no longer required. You can go back to Register Special Vacation selection and check that the setting status has changed to Already Set to confirm that this has been an assigned condition.